I just want them bad boys. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad boys. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad boys. I just want them bad. 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 I just want them bad boys. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad boys. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad. I just want them bad boys.
The motherfucking world in my palm now. Don't tell me to calm down. Striking a magic night in the track while I'm typing a captain's on now. Rap Casanova, we cashing us over in the back of a Rover, six pack in a backpack, and I'm cracking them open, sifting, I'm trapped in a moment. Open your eyes, 'cause you're never gonna know if your next dude might be your last. Everybody's always gonna bring up my past. My past that interest up in my backpack. I'm the NASDAQ with a bad rap, so I'm not ready to change. I'm doing my thing. My reputation is tarnished, but regardless, I am awesome. So the gossip from my lockup go colossal. Then I blossom to the boss of this rock stuff, and I'm never gonna stop till the cops come. What I'm really trying to say is say it to my face, and if you won't stay the fuck out my way. Rockin' shows, locking low, stop me, no. I'm ripping the news, it's the essence of music, and rest with the fusion of both. I'm not ready to change. I'm doing my thing. You pointed the blame. You know I'm not ready to choose. So don't get confused and stay the hell out of my way. Why do you play? You're losing your mind again. Everyone right now. I'm losing my mind again. Ever since I was a little boy, I always thought that the world was going to end in my lifetime. So I tried to seize every opportunity as it came to me because I believed it might stop the sky from falling down one more day. But the older I got, the more I realized that I cannot save the world. I'm not a superhero. I'm not perfect. I'm just me. A human being.